Hello everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I did my builder gel manicure. So if you want to know how, just keep on watching. Really quickly, these are the things that you're going to need in order to complete your manicure. So if you need to pause it, go ahead, but let's get on with the video. This is the Mia Secret Builder Gel Applicator. I got it in the shade Nude. I'm just going to show you guys like how thick it is and what the texture looks like. I pretty much started off by filing and buffing out my nails for shape and smoothness. I apologize for the clips where I'm filing my nails. You can't really see them, but you guys get the idea. We're going to be using the 2-in-1 LED UV lamp to set our builder gel and our gel polish. Guys, you cannot set anything without the gel lamp because the nail polish is not regular nail polish. It will not air dry. So please go get you one if you want to complete the manicure. As you can see, I'm just unboxing to show you guys. It has the buttons for the seconds at the top. It goes by 5 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. And it has a little portion in the back where you stick the adapter. So that is pretty much how you plug it in and stuff. But make sure you go check out the description box because the pricing and stuff is in there. As you can see, I'm starting off with a thin layer on my nail bed first. And then we're gonna go back and add a thicker layer. You know, you can add it however thick you want it. You know, it's up to you. I personally like my nails to be pretty thick because I want the extra protection. But you have to start off with a thin layer first in order for it to pretty much stay on. It'll make it harder for you to form your layers when you start off too thick because the product is very thick and very sticky. So you want to make sure that you're taking your time and you're not rushing and you're not doing too much. Just, you know, do it layer by layer. It'll be easier. Okay, so every time you put builder gel onto a nail, you want to go into the UV light and set that nail. As you guys can see here, I did go back to add a base coat to my nail bed. I noticed that when I was using the UV lamp, the heat was kind of irritating my nail bed. I think it's because I used to wear acrylics a lot, so I'm not sure if you guys will have the same issue, but I just went and added it in. The tutorial that I seen a while ago on builder gel, the girl said that you didn't necessarily have to put on a base coat because everything you need is kind of built into the builder gel, but I just added it anyway because I felt like it made my nails feel more better. But as you can see, I'm putting some of the builder gel on the next nail, then we're gonna set that nail, then we're gonna come back, put some builder gel on the next one, set that one, and then so on and so forth. You guys will pretty much get the idea as you watch the video. Just in case I forgot to mention, every time I set anything throughout this tutorial, I was using 60 seconds. You can use 30 seconds if you don't like using 60 seconds because some people's nails are sensitive, but I use 60 seconds because I just trusted that it was setting completely with the longer time. Okay, so after one hand is completely set, you want to go in and use a nail file to smoothen out the stickiness first, and then you want to use the blocky purple buffer to smoothen out the surface. This will give you a very smooth, you know, foundation to add on your gel polish. washed my hands, so now I'm ready to add on the gel polish. The gel polish set that I chose has neutral colors and 2 different sparkly colors. You can use whatever color you like, obviously, but it comes with an application guide in case you just need more assistance with application. This box comes with 6 different colors. I just chose colors that I know I would wear, most of the time. I'm just checking my nails to make sure I buffed out any creasing or bumpiness so we don't ruin our application. The color I'm using is 464. It's a very neutral grayish pinkish shade. With any nail polish, you want to make sure you start off with a thin layer and you want to work your way from your cuticle to the tip of your nail. This will just, reduce the chances of you having unnecessary runniness, unnecessary amount of polish. You don't want too much, it just looks messy. And then after you complete one full hand, you can dip your hand in for 60 seconds, take it out, and just for your, safety, if you're not used to using gel polish, you can dip it in for another 60 seconds and then take it out and do the same thing to the next hand. Now before I added my top coat, I did add a second layer of color to my nails. Depending on the polish, sometimes you might have to add a second layer, sometimes you might not have to add a second layer. It just depends on what color you're using and how thick the polish is. So I did add another layer in case you want to know before doing the top coat. The top coat you have to set with the gel UV lamp as well, for those who don't know. And I use 60 seconds for the top coat as well. If I look weird the way I'm holding the polish brush, I'm a right-handed person, so when it comes to doing my left hand, I always have trouble. So that's why I look kind of weird holding it. Okay, so this is the finished look. I like how secure they feel. I like how shiny the polish is. If you didn't know, gel polish stays shiny. It does not get dull after a week or so like regular polish does. And guys, not for nothing, this type of manicure can run you about $40, well, at least in New York. So it does help to learn how to do it yourself when you don't have the money or you can't go outside to get your nails done. But thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. If you have any questions, just leave them down below.